A thirsty fox named Rusty wanders through a parched forest, his tongue hanging out. He spots a gentle dove, Pip, drinking from a clear pond. Rusty tries to pounce, but slips on the wet ground, falling into the pond. He cries for help, struggling to swim as Pip watches from a branch. Pip, feeling pity, bravely plucks a large leaf and drops it into the water. Rusty grabs the leaf and floats safely to the shore, relieved. Ashamed, Rusty thanks Pip and promises to remember her kindness. Days later, Rusty sees a hunter setting a trap near Pip's tree. Quietly, Rusty sneaks over and cuts the trap's rope with his teeth. Pip flies down to find the trap gone, smiling as she realizes kindness returns.